Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video we're talking about how to add print to PDF in printer list options on Windows 11. So it's actually already implemented in your system. So in order to see it and use it, you go to Bluetooth and devices, you go to printers and scanners, and as you can see, Microsoft Print to PDF is already here. So you can just click on it, and in here you can set it up and use it. But guys, for some people it's unavailable. That may be due to corrupt system, or your system isn't the latest version. If that's the case, in the search for settings, you type in features, show all results, then you go to turn Windows features on or off. And in here, you just scroll down until you see the printer options, like in this one, for example, right? And you search for print to PDF and just click on it like this so that it's basically turned on. Then you press OK, Windows will download this feature for you and you will get it working and no problem. Enjoy guys, press thumbs up if you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.